Well, I've been looking all over, well, looked on YouTube, tried to find a video on how to replace one of these little wiper control arms. It's this right here. The one I have now, when you turn on the wipers, it'll stop in the middle of what it's doing. Let's see, let me show you this. Turn this on, and then when you turn it on, and you turn it off, it stops in the middle of the run there. Doesn't go all the way, and you have to keep working at it until you get it to the bottom. Oops, yeah, didn't get it all the way. There we go. All right, it's to the bottom now. Okay, and that dinging is kind of annoying. But here's what you do. It's real easy. Take this screw out and turn this car on. And turn the wheel, and there's another screw on this side of the steering wheel. And then also, on the very bottom down here, there's a screw right here you take out. All three are Phillips head screws. Fairly simple. And then, let's turn this off so we can avoid the sound. Then you want to take a screwdriver and kind of go in and start popping this top off, which I've already done once. And go to this side, do the same thing on this side of the steering column. Oh, gosh, can't do it by my fingers there. Okay, take this, stick a screwdriver in there, just keep working it until you get it off. Oh gosh, I just stretched it up. That's okay though, for me anyway, because this is just a spare car. Alright, got that set off. Okay, then we're going to remove the top. I know it's kind of irritating getting this off. Okay, now pull the top off, and then you can see in there, and then we want to do the same thing on the bottom. On the bottom will be a little bit different, where we got to pull forward a little bit on this to get it past the keyhole there. Pull forward. It's going to catch on this little locking arm right here to lock the steering wheel. You can just take that out. Oh, what the heck? Got some paper coming loose in there. What the heck is that is? Anyway, okay, so you just let this dangle. It doesn't matter how you do it. You can just let it drop right there. Then what we're going to do next, we're going to come up here. There's a clip right here that you need to push down on. Push down on it like that. Push down on it and then pull this out. A little harder to do with one hand. Oh, okay. Alright, got that unplugged. Then, the next thing we're going to do, I've got this right here, little poker right here. There's a little pin right here that needs to be pushed down. And then while you push that down, you take this control arm and you pull it to the right so it slides right off. So we're going to push down on this pin. Let's see, a little clip. I'm going to push down on a clip. If I can get it to do this. Very hard to do with one hand. Push down and pull out. Aha! Just pull straight out to the side. Alright. And slide this back out. And next we're going to take the good one, the one that works, and it's going to slide over top of this. See how that slides over top? It slides right on, and it locks into place. Now can you pull it back off now? Okay, it's locked into place. Make sure it's off. All right, now you can go back down here to the bottom, plug it in. Very simple to do. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Stick the key in, turn the key switch over. We're going to make sure it works. Aha! Goes all the way to the bottom. Yep, all the way to the bottom. And there's low, and then there's high. Okay, and then up is missed. I don't have to hold it to make it work. It goes all the way to the bottom. And then pull back, and there's our wash. Yep, and we're good. Get this noise back off. The next thing you're going to do is just put everything back on. Take this bottom piece, slide it back up here. Try not to scratch it up any more than I already have. I've already scratched up everything. Alright, slide that on. Make sure this side is on. Okay, then we're going to take the top section. I'm going to put this top part. If I can remember how I got it off there, I'll put it back on. I'll push down on the steering wheel so it'll go in here better. Just like that. Make sure this side goes on. Okay. Push. I'm gonna hold it with my knee down here so I can do this with one hand. Just snap everything back together. And the same on this side. Snap everything back together, just like so. Alright. And now I can just lock the steering wheel back into place. And then put all these screws back in, which is only 3 screws. You got this one, and it goes down here in the bottom. And then you'll have these other 2. I got these other 2 screws here that go in that hole right there, and then the same thing on this side, which I have to have the key on that. I have to have the key on to make it show that one. Right there. There's the other one. So you put those 3 screws back in, which I'm going to do here in a minute. I'm not going to waste time putting it on the video. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to take a screw in and out. Ha! And that's it. That's how you put it in. 2008 Kia Rio wiper control arm replacement. All right. Thank you.